अब मैं मिनिस्ट्री एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स के एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी गल्फ श्री असीम महाजन जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि गल्फ रीजन से संबंधित डेवलपमेंट्स पे अपडेट दें।
Good afternoon. Ministry of External Affairs continues to closely monitor the developments in the Gulf and the West Asia region. Ensuring the safety, security and overall welfare of the large Indian community in the region remains the ministry's highest priority. The dedicated special control room of the ministry remains operational to assist and support Indian nationals and their families. We remain in constant touch with the state governments and the union territories to share information and for coordinating our efforts. Our missions and posts in the region have been working continuously, maintaining round-the-clock helplines and actively engaging with the wide array of Indian community associations and organizations spread across the region. Regular and updated advisories are being issued to keep our citizens informed of the latest developments. Simultaneously, close coordination is being maintained with respective host governments. Our missions are proactively extending a range of services and providing all support, including visa facilitation, consular services and logistical assistance where required to seafarers, students, stranded Indian nationals and short-term visitors. An update on the status of flights. Overall, the flight situation continues to improve with additional flights operating from the region. Since February 28th, around 375,000 passengers have returned from the region to India. Airlines continue to operate limited non-scheduled flights based on operational and safety considerations between UAE and India. Today, around 95 flights are expected to operate from various airports in UAE to India. Flights continue to operate from Oman and Saudi Arabia to India. With the Qatar airspace partially open, Qatar Airways is expected to operate around 8 to 10 non-scheduled commercial flights to India today. Kuwait and Bahrain airspaces remain closed. Jazeera Airways of Kuwait is operating flights to various destinations in India from the Al Qaisuma airport in Saudi Arabia. Gulf Air of Bahrain also continues to operate special non-scheduled commercial flights from Dammam airport of Saudi Arabia to India. This has facilitated travel of Indian nationals from Kuwait and Bahrain to India. We continue to assist travel of Indian nationals in Iran through Armenia and Azerbaijan to India. We have also facilitated the relocation of several Indian students in Tehran, Isfahan and Shiraz to other cities. Till date, 1,031 Indians, including 707 Indian students and 324 Indian citizens, have crossed out of Iran with our mission's assistance. We are also facilitating travel of Indian nationals from Israel via Jordan to India. In view of the flight restrictions from Kuwait, Bahrain and Iraq, we continue to facilitate travel of Indian nationals via Saudi Arabia. Thank you.